Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Hemoglobin. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you, the incredible versatility of Vaseline. You probably have a jar of this stuff in your bathroom right now, and while it's known for its basic moisturizing properties, it can actually do so much more. Get ready for 8 surprisingly effective Vaseline hacks that will make your life a little easier and a lot more comfortable. First up, let's talk about dry, cracked heels. Instead of expensive creams, try this. Before bed, slather a generous amount of Vaseline on your feet, put on a pair of old socks, and sleep. You'll wake up with noticeably softer, smoother skin. It's a simple yet powerful way to combat dryness. Next, for those pesky flyaway hairs that just won't cooperate, a tiny dab of Vaseline on your fingertips can work wonders. Gently smooth it over the flyaways, and they'll instantly be tamed, giving your hairstyle a polished finish without making it look greasy. Are your eyebrows looking a little unruly? Vaseline can be your secret weapon. Apply a small amount with a spoolie brush to shape and set your brows, keeping them in place all day long. It's a fantastic natural alternative to brow gels. For a quick and easy makeup remover, especially for stubborn waterproof mascara, Vaseline is surprisingly effective. Apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently wipe away your eye makeup. It breaks down even the toughest formulas without harsh rubbing, dealing with minor cuts or scrapes. Applying a thin layer of Vaseline over a bandage can help keep the wound moist, which aids in healing and can reduce scarring. It creates a protective barrier that prevents the bandage from sticking. Chapped lips are a common annoyance, but Vaseline is a classic remedy for a reason. Apply it regularly throughout the day to keep your lips hydrated and protected from the elements. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution. Ever experienced razor burn or irritation after shaving? A light application of Vaseline to the affected area can soothe the skin and reduce redness. It creates a protective layer that calms inflammation. Finally, for a subtle, natural-looking highlighter, try dabbing a tiny bit of Vaseline onto the high points of your cheekbones. It catches the light beautifully, giving you a healthy, dewy glow without any shimmer. These are just a few of the many ways Vaseline can be a surprisingly useful tool in your everyday life. It's a testament to how simple, affordable products can offer significant benefits when used creatively. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these Vaseline hacks helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me.